Hello everybody and welcome to Adventure Theory. My name is Ben. Now this adventure was an unexpected adventure. I was on my way to Valley of the Gods to go camping, which is going to be on an upcoming video, but on the way I saw a sign that said Mexican Hat this way. So I pulled over to see what Mexican Hat was. Turns out it's a crazy rock formation, and I heard a rumor you can get a permit to climb this for any hardcore rock climbers out there. So check this out.